This is zzz. Zzz is an electric sound. We make it the same way we make a s sound. Only this time we add some electricity. If we're making the sound right, we can feel the electricity in our necks, like this. Z can stretch into other sounds, like this.
Zip. Zip. Zap.
Z likes to go into words like zebra, zip, and zoo. Z's favorite letter is letter Z. Z loves to go into letter Z. Maybe it's because it looks like a backward S, only more spiky.